guys, welcome to the vlog. Me and Ava are out ripping and running. We're running some errands this morning. Actually stopped at Whole Foods. Then we are about to drop some books off back at the library. We had checked some books out and we're going to return those, pick up a couple of new ones, and then we have to head to Ava's gymnastics practice. So we are busy this morning. So I'm excited to hang out with you guys today. You guys are going to be a part of it. You're coming with, of course. We got to hang out, bring you along. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video. So we got our books in here that we have to return, and time to get some new ones. To the library, we picked up some goodies. We got lots of good books. Tatiana's gonna be excited when she sees them because I got a couple of the authors that she really enjoys reading. We made it to gymnastics now. We're kind of a few minutes early with all the ripping and running. We still made it early, and I usually take this opportunity to edit, but today I'm not going to do that. I am going to read my book today, and I'm really addicted to reading this book right now, and I'm trying to finish it, so I'm going to finish it up today. But they just opened up the door, so we're going to head in here and get ready, and I'm going to start reading. She's going to have her class, and I will see you guys after gymnastics. Gymnastics was fun. We made it home, but I'm getting ready to head to Pike's Garden Center. You guys are coming with. As soon as I got home from gymnastics, we ate lunch, and then I got a message from a young lady that is going to be sharing some of her chicken eggs with me. She has some Easter eggers, and she's willing to share some of her homegrown eggs with me. So I'm going to be meeting her at Pike's right now. So I figured I would just go inside and browse around, see what they have. I love Pike's. They have tons of beautiful plants and everything in there. And I'm also going to look at what seed varieties they have available. So let's head to Pike and pick up these eggs. I'm so excited to get these eggs. I really would love my own chickens. Unfortunately, where I live, I am not in position to have my own chickens. So the next best thing is locally sourced. So I'm so thankful for this young lady sharing her eggs with me. So we're just gonna hop in the car and head to Pike's. From Pike's. It's a tad bit warm out there. I had to change into a t-shirt and get a little bit more comfortable. Tatiana is here showing me her skills with the hula hoop. So it's actually time for me to get into the kitchen and get cooking. Also want to make me a fresh vegetable juice. So I'm about to get my veggies cleaned and prepped into the juicer. Make us a fresh yummy juice. Check out my girl. Tay.
Another thing is, I know how to jump rope backwards.
Ooh, okay. But look how lovely my plants are doing.
What? Look what I just did.
Going to Pike's made me appreciate my beautiful plants that I have at home.
Look what I just did.
What'd you just do, baby? Whoa, whoa, okay. All right, let's get in the kitchen. I gotta make some juice.
I want to show you.
Uh-oh, Ava's coming next. Ava, let me see the skills.
Here.
Come over here, let me see you. Come over here, you two. You gonna hit stuff. You gotta be in an open space. Uh-oh. Whoa, okay. Let's It is such a beautiful day out here. So I'm out in the garden. I'm gonna harvest a couple of the greens that I have just to add to the smoothies. I mean, just to throw in with the juices that I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna be harvesting some kale leaves and some spinach. Cheers. Made me a juice, so now I have some fuel. And I have to start cooking dinner. So I put some greens on the stove already. So good. I have some greens already on the stove. Ooh, let me see. So I have some greens already on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and cook some fish. I have some red snapper I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna just like pan sear it, and we are gonna be eating some dinner soon. But for now, I'm going to enjoy my juicy, get my juicer cleaned up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start working on dinner.
Mommy.
Hmm?
I love you, juicy.
Can you have some? Have to share everything. Have to share everything with my children. Uh-oh, here comes the other one. Oop. So I got my snapper. Red snapper. About to get it seasoned up and into the pan. Dinner is served. Dinner is finito. We finished dinner, then we just enjoyed a little movie together as a family, and now it is shower time. I'm about to wash the girls' hair, and we're just gonna chill, read a book before bed, and it's just gonna be the end of the day for us. So I'm gonna end this video here and say thank you guys for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Get to hit that subscribe button and join the family if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.